Number 1 for throwbacks. This is Play 107. I am Jake Ryan. Gorgeous day in the city, going for a high of 13. That sun shining feels good, hey? And I just got a text from Kim. She says, hey, Jake, can you send a shout out to the staff and shoppers at the new Goodwill store that opened in St. Albert? We have been pumping your station on our speakers all day long. Shout out to the new Goodwill in St. Albert, especially you, Kim. Keep on shopping, everyone. It's Play.
We're the largest store now in Canada. It's over 18,500 square feet of retail sales floor space, and it is chock full of amazing purchases. Well, we're creating a lot of jobs within this community. This store will have about 100 employees when we're set up fully and fully employed. This is the first time that we've actually opened a brand new store with all brand new team members. The only existing team member working in this store was our store manager who came here from another store.
Because it's the largest store in North America and we have such an amazing community out here. So that's what I wanted to be a part of. Had an amazing outpour of applicants, so we were able to hire some amazing talented people that have helped to make the store what it is today. Oh, today feels fantastic. It's so impressive and I'm so proud to be in here with the amazing team that we've hired. So yeah, very great feeling today.
So anytime we open a new store, there's a bit of a margin that is generated within that new store, and that margin goes back into supporting our mission within our organization. So we have programs such as commercial services, Goodwill at Work. You'll see beautiful furniture throughout this store that was refinished, and it's all done by a group of people working out of their impact center. We're going to hopefully keep lots and lots of the items that probably would have ended up in a landfill. We're going to keep them out by having them here and available for shoppers, and just making sure that we do everything that we can to be as conscious as we can about the environment.